Alright, so we're going to go ahead and change the oil in our transmission. And what you're going to need for this is a 3/4 inch socket or wrench. As you can see, here's our drain bolt right here. So we're going to put our pan under that and then loosen this up. And then we'll just wait for our oil to drain. Alright, so it's going to look like all the oil's out, but then what you're going to want to do is put the bike in the upright position as if you were riding it. And then you're going to get a little bit more out. Alright, so our engine oil is all drained, and this is our drain plug right here. If you'll notice, the skinny part is actually a magnet. And what this does is any little shavings or anything that comes off from the gears or anything else gets caught on that. So you want to make sure that before you put this back in, you clean it up really good and make sure your O-ring is also in good shape. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the bike. We'll clean it up first. Make sure we don't have any dirt on there. It'll go in there. Alright, so that's on, and the book recommends that the torque for this is 14 to 21 foot-pounds, so we're going to go with 18 foot-pounds and torque that down. Alright. Alright, so now our oil is all drained and our plug's back in. We're going to go ahead and take this off. This is actually your fill port. Now if you don't have a huge screwdriver like us, you can just get a piece of metal and a pair of pliers and it'll work just fine. We already loosened ours, but you kind of get the point there. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Alright, and the next thing, down here on the bottom, this is your oil fill plug. And basically, we need to take this out because when we start to fill it, it's going to get to a certain level and start to come out here. Okay, so we got both our plugs out now, so what we're going to do is put the bike in riding position and make sure it's level. And then we're going to put a pan under here, and basically we're just going to fill this up until fluid starts to come out there, and that's how we know it's full. Alright, so we don't want our transmission to be overfilled, so we're just going to let that run out for a sec. And now we will reinstall our oil level plug. And snug that up. And then we can go ahead and put our fill plug back in. And we're all done.